You've likely seen pink cocaine, or 2C, making headlines as it gained mainstream attention in 2024. But do you really know what's hiding in this dangerous and increasingly popular drug? Today, we'll break down what this drug cocktail actually is, reveal test reports that highlight its common ingredients, review the many street names it goes by, and discuss how you can test the substance at home or in a lab. Before we get started, welcome. We're Transparency, powered by the Bunk Police. Saving lives and preventing overdose through harm reduction is our mission. We've been advocating for, innovating, and educating the public on drug test kits for the last 13 years. If you're interested in harm reduction, drug education, and uncovering the truth, hit subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and drop us a like or comment. Now, let's jump into the question. What is pink cocaine? Pink cocaine, also known as 2C, 2CB, 2C Levada, Venus, and Nexus, is a dangerous drug mixture rapidly growing in popularity in the United States. First gaining prevalence in Latin America, this drug cocktail is often mistaken for its similar-sounding alternatives, but it is far from either cocaine or 2CB, and often it doesn't contain either drug. The dangers of pink cocaine are becoming more widely known in the media due to its mention in recent lawsuits against Sean Diddy Combs, along with its role in the death of former One Direction star Liam Payne. Pink cocaine typically appears as a powder with a cocaine-like consistency, a pink color, and a sweet aroma or flavor. The pink hue and scent comes from dyes or flavorings added, and the actual drug composition is largely variable. The danger of pink cocaine, or 2C, lies in its unpredictable makeup. It has been described as an everything under the kitchen sink drug, typically containing a random mix of ketamine, MDMA, opioids, caffeine, methamphetamine, actual 2CB, and more. Since there is no standard formula, each batch can contain a different combination and concentration of drugs, making its effects highly variable and entirely unpredictable. This graph showcases drugsdata.org's most common components of drugs sold as 2CB. With 2C popularizing in the States, along with the commonality of fentanyl adulteration in the US drug market, authors from the study warn about the likelihood of fentanyl also beginning to appear in 2C mixtures. Despite its phonetic similarities, 2CB is not the same as 2CB, and pink cocaine is not the same as cocaine. The similarity in naming and the wide range of street names referring to this varying mystery cocktail makes it even more difficult for users to prepare for the range of effects this drug mix can present. Many of the common components produce drastically differing effects, increasing the strain on the user's body and the likelihood of adverse reactions or overdose occurring. For instance, standard cocaine produces stimulating effects. 2CB can be hallucinogenic, opioids can be depressive and sedating, MDMA can be euphoric and stimulating, ketamine can be sedating and disassociating, and pink cocaine/2CB can contain any combination of them, none of them at all, or all of them together. Similarly, pink cocaine users have reported a range of effects from the drug, including sedation, euphoria, dizziness, anxiety, hallucinations, loss of consciousness, and even medical emergencies like seizures, high blood pressure, or heart problems. The number of street names associated with pink cocaine only add to the confusion of what users think they are purchasing. The association with more well-known or pure substances, along with the often pleasant aroma and inviting appearance, make 2C's potential for harm that much greater. As with any drug, but especially a mixed-drink concoction, harm reductionists advise anyone planning to consume pink cocaine to take extreme caution. Ingesting pink cocaine with alcohol or any other substance can be highly dangerous, simply due to the likelihood of unknown drug interactions and adverse effects that could take place. If you or a friend have acquired pink cocaine, we highly advise discarding it. The risks are high for unpredictable, difficult, or unpleasant experiences at the least, and a detrimental or fatal result at the worst. If you intend to consume pink cocaine, thorough testing is imperative. For an at-home option, we recommend the Skylab Separation Test Kit from bunkpolice.com, which separates out mixed substances and allows the testing of each individual component with reagents. This separation is a crucial first step to the process, simply because pink cocaine is rarely, if ever, a single substance. We also recommend testing for fentanyl with the Fent Kit, also found at bunkpolice.com. This ensures this deadly additive is not present. Even if fentanyl was not intentionally cut into the 2C batch, any one of the added substances, especially any opioids, methamphetamine, cocaine, and ecstasy pills, drastically increases the likelihood of fentanyl being present. For a more advanced option, sending a sample of pink cocaine to transparencytesting.com, our mail-in lab testing service, would be the most accurate option for identifying all components present and even determining how much of each component is in the mixture. Get started at transparencytesting.com. Testing any drug you plan to take is crucial, but identifying what your particular pink cocaine batch contains is especially important. Share this video with a friend to help keep them safe in the midst of the ever-changing drug landscape. Spreading the word about pink cocaine and other newer novel drugs allows others to be better informed, more prepared, and best equipped to prevent overdose.